Here's how to fall asleep quicker, the healthy way. Welcome back for this video. Hope you are fine. Without further ado, let's get into today's discussion. Would you like to fall asleep as soon as you lay your head on the pillow? A quick plunge into slumber may appear to be nirvana, but it does not indicate a healthy sleeper. According to Harvard Medical School sleep medicine teacher Rebecca Robbins, a well-rested person is unlikely to fall asleep all at once. Healthy sleepers take 15 to 20 minutes to fall asleep, according to Dr. Robbins. Here's how to fall asleep faster while staying healthy. Falling asleep differs from sleep when a person is really exhausted, which can be frustrating. Nonetheless, maintain your composure and remember that sleep will come. It claims that worrying about not sleeping will make you feel more tired the next day. Instead of dozing off, drift away. Too much sleep can be harmful to your health, both physically and mentally. Author Tony Robbins compares a lack of sleep to a lack of nourishment. They emphasize that someone who is hungry will eat their next meal right away, whereas someone who is well-nourished will not be in such great need of food. Adults should sleep for at least 7 hours per night, according to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, while children should sleep for 9 to 12 hours and teens should sleep for 8 to 10 hours. What if you're not getting enough rest even if you're sleeping an acceptable amount of hours every night? If you're exhausted all day and fall asleep too soon, it could be a sign of poor sleep quality. When a person wakes up several times during the night, they are experiencing sleep deprivation. Dr. Raj Dasgupta is a sleep expert at the University of Southern California's Keck School of Medicine. According to Dasgupta, waking up prevents you from reaching deep sleep stages like slow-wave sleep or REM, which are important for full functioning and attentiveness. We dream as we sleep, and as a result, our memories are solidified and developed. REM sleep has an impact on cognitive performance, and a recent study indicated that getting less REM sleep is associated to a higher risk of death overall. Our bodies mend and rejuvenate when we sleep in gentle waves and remove pollutants. According to the American Sleep Association, it is critical to give oneself enough total sleep time in order to enhance the quantity of deep sleep you get. Due to obstructive sleep apnea, you may notice snoring, gasping, choking, or even ceasing breathing during the night, which can disrupt your sleep without you even realizing it. According to the National Healthy Sleep Awareness Project, over 25 million Americans suffer with sleep apnea. Your partner's legs may twitch or shake during the night, resulting in restless legs syndrome. Asthma, chronic pain, heart disease, diabetes, and gastric reflux disease, to name a few, all contribute to mental distress. Several mental health issues and drugs, according to the Cleveland Clinic, can affect sleep. According to Dasgupta, if you don't get enough sleep, you should see a sleep specialist to figure out what's happening. How to fall asleep more quickly. You now know that going out like a light isn't good, and neither is the idea of falling asleep in 10 to 20 minutes. But what about those evenings when you can't seem to fall asleep? Getting up will assist you. If you wake up in the middle of the night and can't fall back asleep, get out of bed and go to a dark room where you can do something relaxing until you feel drowsy again, Dasgupta suggests. Don't toss and turn at night and get out of bed if you have trouble sleeping, says Robbins. Some people believe that lying in bed with your eyes closed but not sleeping is just as relaxing. That, according to Robbins, is a pipe dream. If we lie in bed we will begin to associate the bed with restlessness. Make sure the bed isn't disturbed. Dasgupta recommends that the bedroom be used only for sleeping and having sex, and that it not be used for anything else. Describe what you expect to happen when you enter the bedroom, and your mind will be far more likely to drop off. As a result, avoid watching TV or working in bed. Don't pick up the phone or make any calls. Our brains tell us to wake up, not sleep, whenever we encounter blue light from an electronic device. With that in mind, we are done for the day. Hope you really enjoy the video.
But we are too fit to quit. So, if you or anyone you know may be suffering mental or emotional illness, please don't hesitate to reach out to a mental health care professional today and talk to them about it. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. Feel free to leave a comment down below with your thoughts, experiences, and suggestions. And share it with those out there battling the haze of illnesses. Don't forget to subscribe to WEvolve, just go and hit the notification bell for new videos. And as always, thanks for watching.